Hello guys, welcome once again on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can apply for monetization on the YouTube so that you can start making money in your published videos. So as you know, in order to apply for monetization, there are some steps you need to perform in the process of applying. So in this video I'm going to show you the steps carefully so that you can do it yourself and you can start getting income from your published videos. As you know, YouTube lowered the monetization requirement so that you can apply with only 500 subscribers and 3k watch time hours. So without the wastage of time, let's get started. So what you need is to go on your YouTube studio by using your computer or your phone and go in channel videos or content tab so that you can check whether there is no copyright claims in your videos. When you finished to check, you click on untab, then you click on apply now. When you met that requirement I talked before, you are eligible for applying for monetization. For the first step, you click on start and you leave the monetization requirement as the first step. So then you click on I agree the terms, these terms, and you click on accept terms. You wait so that it can be done. You see that this first step is done. The second step is step 2, is to sign up for your Google AdSense. You select whether you have an existing account or you don't have an existing account. So for me, I have an existing AdSense account. Then I choose I have an existing account. Then I click on continue. After clicking on continue, they will redirect you on the Google AdSense page. So you have to select the email which is associated with your Google AdSense account. Then you have to link up your channel with your existing AdSense account. So if you don't have AdSense account, you can create it in easy way. So I made a video about how to apply without having an AdSense account. You can watch it in the description. You can find it in the description box. So then you click on accept association so that you can link your AdSense with your YouTube channel. Then you click on redirect. After clicking on redirect, they will redirect you on the YouTube studio in your browser so that the step 2 is done. When you link your channel with a new AdSense account, this process will take about 8 hours in order to be done. So when the step 2 is done, the step 3 is started automatically without clicking on it. So the YouTube starts checking your channel and checks if it meets the YouTube partner program requirements and terms of service so that they can give you monetization on your YouTube channel. I will make a video which will help you to know the strategy you can use in order to get accepted for monetization faster. On this step 3 of getting reviewed, it may usually take a month while reviewing your channel, but there is a strategy you can use so that you can get reviewed faster. So make sure you subscribe so that you will never miss that video on my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell. Also, if you want to boost your social medias like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, you can contact me on the contact info I left there on your screen. So you see that channel I applied for monetization got monetized in less than 8 hours by using the strategy which will show you in the next video. So guys, make sure you subscribe and left the like button for the YouTube algorithm and left the comment of the question you have. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Also guys, don't forget to check in the video description. I will put the video which can help you in this entire process. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.